In case of an evacuation, a floor or seat lighting system will guide you to the nearest exit. Located, it may be behind you. There is a safety card located in the seat pocket in front of you. Please take a moment to review it before takeoff. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened, your seat back fully upright, the tray table stowed, the window shades open, and carry-on luggage, cup holders, and handsets stowed and locked. We remind you that smoking is forbidden, including electronic cigarettes. Tampering with laboratory smoke detectors is against the law. Thank you and enjoy your flight.